Hi everyone, Roy Jackson here, Pinoy in Chicago. Another productive day, guys. Right now we are on the way home again. I just got off from work. We are not gonna be cooking today because I have so many food in the house and we are eating leftovers today. And plus, I had a big lunch today. We had a party yesterday, so we have a lot of food that's left in the fridge at work, so I was able to eat those for lunch. And anyway, and then in the house I have plenty of food from the one I made yesterday, and we finished the steak, but I still have some chop suey that I actually put in the freezer the other day. That one I bought from the Filipino place, Subo. So it's okay, guys. You can always freeze up your food as long as it's not over a week, and then you can still heat it up. I mean, it's still good. And plus, this one is vegetable, so it's chop suey mixed with I think it's shrimp, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, traffic again that I have to deal with. So I will see you guys when I get home, and of course you guys will see my doggies when I get home. Anyway, see you later. Let's go home, guys. Gorgeous day again. I have nothing to barbecue. I want to grill something. Like I said earlier, we have so much leftovers in the house. Lace, what are you eating, girl? Oh man. Anyway, we're gonna go inside. Feeding time, guys. So. Place. Come here. Hello, Liz. No. Wait. Pick up. The big boy. Look at the big boy. Go. Stop complaining and eat. See, this is 11 years old. She's buff. It's like fresh young. So slow. Look at him, he's not even done with that half a cup or quarter cup. So I'm making some rice, guys. 1. 2 cups. And I'm going to make 3 cups. Then what you're gonna do, you wash the rice. You see how easy, guys? You wash it, you rinse the rice, rinse it good, and then you drain it. Make sure it's completely drained. Alright, that's good. And then what you're gonna do is also put, I think, 3 cups of water, or maybe 3 1/4. 3 1/4. Alright. You shake and bake a little bit. And make sure you dry the bottom part of this pot. Alright. Okay, now we are going to plug this. Make sure you press this down, press it down, and I have the top. You set it and forget it. So this one should be done by at least 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. You see how easy to make some rice, guys? Back in the day, you had to find some charcoal or whatever. That's how we do it back home in the Philippines. But here in America, you use rice cooker. Or now, if you have the money back home, or no, actually now it's easy to find rice cooker. Rice cookers like everywhere in the Philippines. But back in the day, it's so expensive that you can't even afford to buy the charcoal. But anyway, so we'll wait for this one to cook 15-20 minutes and we have the rice. Alright, and the rice is cooked, guys, and the boss is home, so we are about to prepare the dinner. Alright, guys, so this is the chop suey with shrimp and I think some chicken. This is the one that we bought from the store the other day. Just eat, guys. I think I'm gonna have some rice today. This is the one I made earlier, guys. Alright, so we have the rice and we have some broccoli, veggies. So let's eat, guys. This one I'm gonna use this one is called chop suey, but it's totally different from Chinese chop suey. This one has a lot of veggies, cauliflower, onions, they put some celeries, broccolis, what else? Some bell pepper. See? Sounds healthy, huh? Not bad. Ladies, come here. This way. Come here. Come on, Lex. I have some chicken. Stay there. Pick up. Is it safe to eat some leftovers? It depends. So I think more than 72 hours, if I'm not mistaken, or 4 days. If it's not frozen, don't eat it. So freeze it first, and then you can always defrost it. Alright. Uh-oh. I'm turning to a Chuck. Can't control my nerves. That's shrimp, guys. You want some chicken, Kika? Girl, come here. Guys. Come here. Hindi ka naman si lazy. Oh. Si lazy to ba? Ano naman si lazy? Kika, come here. Pick up. Oh, you missed. Leftovers is not a problem here, guys. We always finish our food, we don't waste it. I have 2 dogs, they can clean up anything in the house. As you can see, this guy keeps switching spot. Well, anyway, we're just gonna enjoy the food now. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Like I said, be safe, guys, when you guys are eating your leftovers. Make sure it's not spoiled. Make sure it's well refrigerated or even frozen. Like I said, you can always defrost it. Alright? So be safe out there. And see you on my next vlog. Please subscribe right here. You see what happened to my nails? That black color? My dog bit me. That was her. It was her fault. Anyway, so subscribe, guys, subscribe. So I thought we are finished, but she came out with this one donut and a Danish. And my dog is crying, asking for a piece. Be quiet. They love sweets, man. No, Lacey, get down. So, as you can see, she's right there. You want some peace? Please, right here. You want a piece? And the other guy, oh, he disappeared. It's right there. Alright, guys. So, come on. Can I have some tinny dog, please? Donut for dessert, guys. donut for dessert, guys. You want some? You want a piece? No? Good. More for me. More for me. Mm. You want some donut? Oh no! People love the donut, yo. You know you're not supposed to eat this cup, but because I love you, I'm gonna give you a smaller piece. I will give you a small piece, girl, okay? Here. And you too, Lace. That's it. It's too much. Too much. I had a rice, a donut, and no beer tonight. I'll wait tomorrow, Friday. And guess what? I still have to work Saturday, Sunday, Monday to Friday, and I'm hoping not the following Saturday and Sunday. I need a day off. Good. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry, I was chewing my food. Alright, see you guys.